Is there anybody else that wants and will actually use the feedback that I'm giving them on their writing? Besides the people that I've already done. So that means that tonight I'll read it, and then you have tonight to kind of use my feedback and make changes. Is there anyone else that wants to do that? If you're probably not gonna read it and you're not gonna work on it, then I'm not gonna say this though sound like a jerk, but like don't waste my time. So if you want me to do it, put your hand up. I can make a list. Nope. Right? Sarah, you're yours. I saw the feedback. Yeah, I got you. I'm reading yours right now. Sorry, is there anyone else? All I have is Sarah Mohammed and Damien. Who said me? Anyone else? Okay. So everyone else is cool with Candy and